Fixing lag in TradingView is a relatively straightforward task that I'll guide you through today. If you're experiencing lag, there could be various reasons behind it. Firstly, having multiple tabs open might be consuming too much RAM, causing TradingView to lag. In this case, closing unnecessary tabs should help alleviate the issue. Secondly, using multiple instances of Google Chrome simultaneously could strain your PC beyond its capabilities, leading to lag. Closing background tasks and ensuring only one instance of Chrome is running can mitigate this problem. If these steps don't resolve the issue, simply closing and restarting the browser might do the trick. Finally, if all else fails, consider trying a different browser altogether, such as Opera or Firefox. Hopefully, one of these solutions will resolve the lagging problem in TradingView for you. That's all there is to it. I trust you'll find these tips helpful.